Hey guys, what's up? It's Medicosis Perfectionalis once again, and I have something good for you. First of all, thank you for watching and subscribing. I cannot imagine my life without you. Today we're celebrating more than 800 freaking videos. 690 are free on YouTube, 20 in the electrolytes course, 40 antibiotics course, 50 cardiac pharmacology course, these are on my website, and 15 premium on my Patreon page, and 15 we'll talk about them today. We're just getting started, folks. As long as I'm breathing, I will kick medicine in the butt. Starting this week, we'll continue our bleeding and coagulation discussion, as well as some rheumatology. At the end of the year, we'll start endocrinology, and the next year, hopefully it's going to be nephrology. And I've got some gifts for you. My Perfectionalis Ultimate Notebook about lymphoma has been updated, and it's free for the next day. My Leukemia Notebook had a few mistakes, have been corrected, uploaded, and free for the next 24 hours. I have a PDF file called Triads in Medicine. It's again free for the next 24 hours. How do you get these three goodies? Go to my website, medicosisperfectionalis.com, click on Premium, click on Free, click on the Leukemia Notebook, Lymphoma Notebook, and Triads in Medicine. They are free for the next 24 hours. Let's see what the people are saying about Medicosis. Dear Medicosis, I'm waiting for your next pharmacology course on cancer drugs. How is the work going? I will be the first customer. Thank you. I promise. And I want to thank you again for the cardiac pharmacology and antibiotics course. I really appreciate your work. It's such a huge difference when studying with well-designed material. I really can't deal with PowerPoint presentation anymore. Oh, professors and their PowerPoints. Kind regards to your drug dealer in training. This means pharmacology, in case the police are watching. And I have a new course. Anticancer pharmacology. When it comes to chemotherapy, most doctors don't know what the flip they are talking about. But now we can learn together. We'll talk about cancer. What's the difference between tumor, neoplasia, benign, and malignant? What's a carcinoma? What's a sarcoma? How do they metastasize? How do they behave? What's the difference between benign and malignant? We have a huge comparison. Anti-cancer drugs are divided into anti-metabolites, alkylating agents, plant alkaloids, anti-cancer antibiotics, hormones, immunotherapy or targeted therapy such as the famous monoclonal antibodies, such as the famous tyrosine kinase inhibitors, the TNIBs, and we have the mTOR inhibitors. The mTOR was discovered by a medical student. Yes, indeed, it can happen. I tried to count how many medications were mentioned in this glorious course. More than 75, yes. But when you download the course, you see them organized and in color. We will learn about different chemo regimens. What is FOLFOX? What's FOLFIRI? What's the R-CHOP? What's ABVD? What's BEP? What's an adjuvant? What's a palliative? What's a platinum-based chemo? What's nitrogen mustard? I know that plant-based diet is trendy on Instagram, but platinum-based chemo is trendy in the freaking hospital. This course includes 15 videos, 20 cases, the Perfectionalis Ultimate Notebook that you should print. It's awesome, more than 70 pages, and schematic summary of all of the drugs. I'm doing something new for the first time. It's gonna be huge. Drum roll, please. The first person who uses the promo code CANCERFREE will get the course 100% free for one person only. May you always be cancer-free. And let's see who's that lucky person. If you didn't get it free, please don't be disappointed. The odds are against you. You can still get 40%, not just of this course, of any product on my freaking website. Use the promo code 40OFFCANCER to get a 40% discount towards any product for the first 30 students only, or until the end of the month, whichever comes earlier. People, I really love you so much. If you have any questions, send me an email. Please go to my website, medicosisperfectionalis.com. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified because, as you know, I release surprise videos every once in a while. You can support me here or here. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be safe, stay happy, and study hard. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis, where medicine makes perfect sense.